Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows 11 or Windows 10 error pop-up through receiving that gaming features aren't available for the Windows desktop or File Explorer. To start a desktop broadcast, launch a game and then select desktop during your broadcast setup. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on search menu and then type mo lang dito yung settings and then click mo lang open. And then dito sa left side menu, ang next step ay select mo lang dito yung gaming. And then dito sa gaming, makikita mo kaagad dito yung pinakauna lang na Xbox game bar. So kailangan mo lang i-click ito. And then dito sa Xbox game bar, kailangan lang natin itong i-turn on. Okay? So dito sa right side, i-toggle on lang natin yan. Right? So after dito, ay close na natin dito. Ang next step ay dito lang sa start menu. So right click ka lang. And then next ay kailangan mo nang select dito yung run. So dito sa run and then dito lang sa kanyang box ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na gpa.mac or ito yung tinatawag na local group policy editor. And then next ay kailangan mo lang click ng OK. So dito sa local group policy editor, ang next step ay dito lang sa local computer policy and then dito sa computer configurations ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung administrative templates. So i-click mo lang tong arrow na to para mag-expand. And then next step, dito sa administrative templates ay select mo lang dito yung Windows components. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa Windows component, scroll down at hanapin natin yung Windows Game Recording and Broadcasting. Okay? And then ito na siya. So dito sa Windows Game Recording and Broadcasting, so i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa right side ay pop-up ng kanyang settings na enables or disable Windows Game Recording and Broadcasting. So kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then lalabas itong kanyang settings mga kaibigan. So ang gagawin natin dito ay select mo lang yung not configured and then enable ito siya. And then click mo lang itong OK. And then next step ay close lang natin itong local group policy editor. And then dito sa search menu and then type mo ulit dito yung settings and then click mo itong open. And then dito sa left side menu and then select mo lang yung apps. And then dito sa apps, click mo lang itong installed apps. And then dito sa installed apps, dito lang sa search apps, ay type mo lang dito yung text box. And so makikita mo dito yung tatlong apps na found. Okay, so dito sa Xbox yung pinakauna lang. And then dito sa right side, i-click mo lang itong tatlong dot. And then next ay select mo lang dito yung advanced options. Okay, so dito sa advanced options, scroll down and then kailangan mo lang select dito yung reset. Okay, so if this app isn't working right, so we can try to repair it. So click mo lang itong repair and then wait natin. Okay, so after repair and then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung reset. Okay, so if this app still isn't working right, so i-click lang natin itong reset and then pop-up ito mga kaibigan. This will permanently delete the app's data. So click mo lang itong reset and then wait natin. Okay, so after dito ay close lang natin and then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. So i-click mo lang itong restart. Yes, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix gaming features aren't available for Windows Desktop or File Explorer and Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.